Well, good morning from Tumwater, Washington. I'm here at the truck stop and it's foggy, so I wanted to check the weather. Right now it says it's 43 degrees. So I decided, you know what, let me check the weather in Portland. Over there it's 35 degrees. And it shows that it's partly cloudy over there. It's gonna be partly cloudy this whole day. And I plan to leave here about 7:30, maybe 8. So in Portland, it's gonna be about 39 degrees at 9 a.m. It says that Saturday today is gonna be partly cloudy, tomorrow's cloudy, Monday and Tuesday rain, and Wednesday rain.